Forget the hype, let's dive into a real, head-to-head battle of AI video generators. Pika vs Sora. First, the input. Both thrive on text prompts, but Sora supposedly understands nuanced language better. We'll put that to the test with the exact same prompt. A corgi running through a field of sunflowers at sunset. Here's Pika's version. Notice the slightly artificial feel, the somewhat generic sunflowers, and the overall less than tutorialistic quality. It's good, but not mind-blowing. Now Sora's take. Immediately, the realism jumps out. The fur detail, the dynamic lighting, the variety of sunflowers ... it's leagues ahead. Look at the fur detail. Pika's is smooth, almost plastic. Sora's has individual strands, catching the light beautifully. Movement is another key factor. Both handle basic action well, but Sora seems to maintain better physical accuracy and consistent details throughout the video. Pika occasionally struggles with object consistency. The verdict: Pika is fast and accessible, a great entry point. But Sora, when it's available, sets a new benchmark for realistic and complex video generation. The future of AI is here, and it's stunning.